Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. Children, today we are going to do My Alphabet Friends Part 2, pages 4343 to 4747. And then we have few pages for the task of the day, right? So let's see. Okay, so children, here we have blends, right? These blends we have already done in our online class. Okay, so look at these blends. Here are the few blends, but we have done many blends in our online class, right? And if you have still confusion, you can ask me, or you can watch the previous video of all the blends. Okay, so here as ma'am said, it is ka, ha, cha, right? Cha chips, cha child, cha chick, cha chin. Here sa, ha, sha, shop, sheep, shell, shade. Brush, brick, broom, and brown. Here we have E, right? Double E is E. So here we have tree, jeep, feet, and B. Double E is E, right? Then here we have double O means oo, right? So moon, spoon, food, pool. So double O makes oo sound. Okay. Then here we have this page, and there are few more blends starting with color, fleur, plur, th, right? Dr, fr. This is double L, right? So double L is what? Blur, right? Bell. So l. This is gr. So let's read the word. Here clip, clock. Here you have to write the blend sound, that which blend will come, right? And children, you don't need to remember the spelling. You just have to remember the sound. Okay, which sound will come? Only the blend sound. So flag, flower, plant, plum, tree, thin, drum, drop, frog, fridge, bell, as ma'am said, right? So bell, wall. Then green and grass. It is very easy. Here children, these words are just to read and repeat. Blur words and bro words. Blur blow, blur plant, blur blue, and blur blink, blinking of eyes. Then next is bro words. Bro brand, bro broom, bro brown, and bro brick. Okay. So these are just for the reading, and you can find out few more words. Okay. Now here we have fill in the blanks and complete the word, and then say the word aloud. So here first picture is broom. So what is the first blend sound? Br. Br. So you have to see the picture and you have to write the blend. Blur blue, blur blur, blur blue. And this is blinking of eyes. So blur blink, blur blur and blur blink. This boy is blowing the balloon. So blur blow. Then this is a brick. So br brick, br brick. Then here we have brown color dot. So again br brown. Okay. Then here next is also very easy. Again here gl and gr is only for reading. So gl glass, gl glow, gl glad and gl glue. Here gr grass, gr green, gr grow and gr grand. Okay. Here we have match the correctly. Okay. Then say the word aloud. So here we have first glass picture. So children, now you have to try to read the word. Glass, glass. So you have to match it with the glass. Then next picture is green. So you have to match it with green grass, right? Green, green. Then this plant is growing, so grow. And this boy is glad. Okay. So we will match it with the glad. Glad. Then here we have fill in the blanks, right? So here these all are stir words. So you have to write stir, stir, stir everywhere. But speak and then write. Stir, 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 stir like that. Then spur, spur. Sir, sh. Sir, slur. So stir, stop. Stir, stand. Stir, star. Stir, stone. You try to read the word. Spur, spoon. Spur, spot. Spur, spin. And spur, spill. She, shine, shirt, shoe. Slur, slow, slur, slip, and slur, slam. Okay. This sleep is when you sleep at night, right? And this sleep is when you fall down, you sleep. Okay. Here we have match it correctly and read aloud. So here there are two words, spoon and spot. So you have to match it with the correct word. So here we have spoon. So here we have to match it with the spoon. Then stir and stand. Stir our star. So we will match it with the star. Then slow and sleep. So we will match it with the sleep. Then here we have shoe. So we will match it with the shoe. This is very easy, children. Only two sound you have to write and only matching, right? Circling. So it is very easy. Okay, you can do it on your own. And now next we have task of the day. So this you have to do on your own. And this is also very easy. See. Here just you have to find out the word from down and you have to write the correct blend. Okay. So whenever ma'am will ask you, ma'am will not ask you to write full spelling. Ma'am will ask you only to write the blend sound. Okay. So here the picture is broom. So you have to write br, right? Br, broom. And the spelling is also given here. So you can find out and you can write, right? And here we have grass. So gr. Then we have spoon. So what is the first sound? Sp. So sp. Then we have flag. So flag, right? So this is the task of the day. This 4 sound you have to write. And this is also very easy. You have to see the picture and circle the correct blend. So here we have chick. So chick starts with ch. So ch is ka, ch. Then drop. So dr. Then brush. Br. Frog. So fr. Then here we have plane. So plane. Then here we have fly. So fl. Then here we have clock. So cl. And the last is grass. Okay. So you have to see the picture and try to understand which sound is coming first, that you need to circle. Okay. And here we have matching. So match the picture with the blend sound. So here we have cha. Ch. So cha chips. Sha shape. Bra. So broom. Then we have E. Double E means E. So jeep. Double O means oo. Double O means oo. So it is moon. In moon you can see oo sound. Then here we have double L means L. Right? So bell. Then flag. So children, this is the task of the day. And these are the pages. Ma'am will send you the PDF also. So try to finish it. It is very, very easy. Right? Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.